Hi there. Today we want to learn how to sew this beautiful overlapped pleated bodice with structured sleeve. If there's something you'd want to learn how to do, please do stick and stay and let's do it together. Before we're able to sew this style, we first would have to draft our basic bodice. This is the front and that is the back. In case you want to know how we came by this, I'll put a link in the description box below. You can as well check the top right corner of the screen. I have derived this front pattern and back pattern from the basic bodice as you see here. With the back, I've cut two pieces of the fabric, having a zipper allowance at the back. And then when it comes to the front, we have gotten the shoulder, the armhole, and the side seam to be the same as our basic bodice. But then, there's this extension at the front here, which should not be less than half of the distance from the center front here all the way to the side seam. It should be more or it could be equal, depending on how many pleats you'd want to insert into the overlap. After we're done with this, we'll first go ahead and stitch the shoulders together. We'll finish the neckline. So go ahead and stitch the shoulder. Then repeat same for the other side. We'll stitch off the back dart. Then we stitch off our seam allowance. At this point, we'll fit it onto our model. After this, we'll go ahead and cut the excess off. We'll go ahead and stitch these two together. Fit this onto our model. We'll go ahead and then finish that of the center back.